Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we will be cooking braised chicken with mushroom. So let's start cooking. We'll proceed to cook the chicken now. I'm using a clay pot. Of course you can use your pan if you want to. Just add a little bit of oil. We're going to brown the skin of the chicken. I'm using a Gourmet clay pot right now. They have served me very well. Just put it in. I'm just using one whole chicken. This is approximately 800 grams of chicken that I'm using over here. I'm just browning the chicken right now. The reason why I'm doing so is then it can absorb the color better when I put in the dark soya sauce. Now don't cut your chicken into too small a piece because after braising it might just fall off easily. So sizes like this will be just nice. Now, another reason why this is being done is because we want to induce the chicken fats to come out so that this whole dish will be really good. You just need to brown them a little while more. Okay, this is about done. What we are going to add in now is 1 thumb size of ginger, sliced into pieces like this. Just put everything in. 1 whole bulb of garlic, just washed with the skin on. 2 stalks of spring onion, I've tied into a knot. Just put it in. 8 pieces of Chinese mushroom. I've hydrated them actually. So just put them in also. Let's give it a stir first. Now we're going to add water. We just have to put enough water to cover the chicken. So that's about it. We're going to add in the seasoning now. 3 tablespoons of light soya sauce. 4 tablespoons of dark soya sauce. I'm using this kind of dark soya sauce which is very thick and it's not very salty. So if you are using the salty type, please do reduce on your light soya sauce, the amount. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 10 grams of rock sugar. If you do not have rock sugar, you can use regular cane sugar. Just give it a slight stir. Make sure the sauce is all mixed up. Now we let this braise for approximately half an hour. When it's boiling, we just need to put the lid back on, turn down the heat a little and let it simmer for half an hour. The stock is boiling right now. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put the cover on and let this braise for half an hour. This will be so good when it's done. Okay, 30 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Beautiful. Just take out the spring onion first. I like to thicken up the sauce a little bit so that when I put it onto rice, it will taste really fantastic. But before that, let's just add 1 tablespoon of hoa biaojiu or Chinese cooking wine, just to enhance the taste a little bit. I'm just going to thicken up the sauce with some cornstarch solution. Okay, this is done already. Let's just give this a taste. I believe that this is fantastic, really good. Wow, it's really amazing, the taste. You can taste the mushroom, the ginger, the chicken inside here. Fantastic, I can't wait to try this. Alright, time to serve this. We're finished cooking our dish. Now it's time to have a taste. Mushroom. Very hot, but very nice. Mushroom is really good. Absorb all the taste of the very good stock gravy that we have. And it's very fragrant, sorry. Now we have a taste of chicken. Let's try the chicken. Wow, really hot. Very soft, very tender. Off the bone tender actually. And the chicken has absorbed the gravy taste fantastically well. This will go excellent with rice. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.